Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your document and going straight to Layout Margins. This is where changes begin. Once there, make sure the paper size and orientation are correct, because margins behave relative to those settings. If you see different headers or unequal spacing, check for section breaks now. They make margins act independently. You need to address sections before global changes, so identify them and place the cursor in the section you want to adjust before proceeding to custom margin values. Now set precise margin measurements by choosing custom margins and typing exact values, for example 1 for 1 inch or 0. 5 for half an inch. Use inches as Word expects them. Once done, decide Apply to this section, whole document, or from this point forward to control scope. Also inspect gutter and mirror margins if you plan to bind or print two-sided. Those change inner versus outer spacing. Make changes and click OK to commit. Then visually scan the page to confirm results. Finish by previewing your document in Print Layout and Print Preview to ensure margins look correct on each page. If a page still resists the new margins, inspect for hidden section breaks, locked headers, or wide tables that override layout. Remove or adjust them. If formatting persists across documents, reset the normal template or clear custom styles that often restores expected default behavior. Finally, save a copy after confirming everything. And remember, minor adjustments to tables or images can solve many stubborn margin problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.